Alright guys, a little quick video update here. This is what I was working on. I think I have it in a video. I'm getting ready to finish out this cabinet, paint it, put this wall in. Trying to decide what I want to do on these shelves. I know I'm putting one shelf in right there. I may not put any shelves in and get the put the little beams back here so I can make adjustable shelves so we can adjust it as needed. But I don't know, I may build shelves. But I think what I'm going to start out with is just this one shelf right here, build it. That way I can finish this area out and paint it. That gave us a lot of room by doing that. So we got that left to do. We got that drawer painted, got to put it back in. Got to put our cabinet in over there. We got one over here already. I'll give you a final walkthrough later. There's our floor. So what we got left was that up there, and we got to find the refrigerator. We had one, I should have went ahead and ordered it, never dreamed that they would sell out of them and not get any more in. We had one picked out, we saved that area, it fit it perfect. It was going to fit in there perfect. We was going to put some foam cushion on each side. It would have made this airtight. But they're out of stock. Emailed the manufacturer even, they said they don't know if they're going to produce them anymore. They couldn't give me no clue. They told me where to look. I called a couple other places, nobody has them. But so looking for a different refrigerator to go in there, and I can't wait till I can tear these out. But I don't want to tear none of this out until I see what my refrigerator size is going to be. But these are going away either way. I just don't like those, but I've been saving that for my last. When you see the video of me tearing that out, the interior of the camper is pretty much done. This, I'm waiting, this is the pantry we added. Waiting on the doors. Waiting on the doors to dry. We got them painted. And I was going to put a barn door here. If I can get back far enough. We were going to put a barn door here that slides that way. But I bought this door, two of these, or folding doors. I was going to use it there, just didn't like the way it looked. It stuck out too far. But instead of doing this and building this door and worrying about the slide hitting it, I'm going to put those doors in this opening here. They'll be up at that step and they'll open back this way, and they won't even hardly stick out at all when they're open. So, and then that'll allow you to close that bathroom area. There's going to be a wall up there to close the bedroom off so you can be in the bathroom and have privacy getting in and out of the shower if somebody was to still be in the bed. And we'll be pretty much done with the interior, other than a lot of little cosmetic things. Got to put my other cabinet in over there that matches that one. I've got it painted, just waiting. I'm not gonna put the mattress in until we're through painting. That'll be putting the mattress in, the new couch, the table, and the entertainment center area. All that's gonna be our last little, well, we may do this before we do the fridge. So I've got a fireplace that was in the house we bought, and we're not using it there. So if it'll fit right here, I've got the measurements, I'm gonna check that. If it'll fit there, we may use it right there. And then that way we'll make our entertainment center with our TV. We'll have a little fireplace that puts out heat. And that'll be our prime entertainment viewing position. Gotta come up with a word for that. But yeah, we've made a lot of progress, guys. We've got to get out of here real soon. The landlord has sold the house or has it for sale. We're hoping to be out here by the end of August. So I got the power turned on at the tiny house. So our next set of videos will be remodeling it, and we still got to finish the exterior of the camper. We're doing a paint job on that. So that's where we're at. That's a rundown. We'll give you a walkthrough, itemized walkthrough when we're done.